Hey there food enthusiasts, welcome back to the Culinary Study Guide, your go-to channel for food and cooking. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore the world of easy vegetable and vegan dishes you can easily make right in your home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this video is packed with fantastic recipes that are both vegetarian and vegan friendly. From stir fries to soups, we've provided delicious and simple dishes. Note that all recipes are linked in the description below, making them easier to follow. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with a mouth-watering vegetable stir-fry bursting with vibrant flavors. Or how about diving into a rich and creamy chickpea curry that will transport you to the streets of India? And if you're in the mood for something light and refreshing, our classic Caprese salad will surely hit the spot. But that's not all. We'll also be whipping up a comforting lentil soup perfect for those chilly evenings and for all the taco lovers out there. You won't want to miss our veggie tacos packed with grilled or roasted vegetables that will make your taste buds dance with joy. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure and expand your repertoire of easy vegetarian and vegan dishes, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community of food lovers. By subscribing, you'll always take advantage of our upcoming videos where we dive deep into the art of cooking. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, the Culinary Study Guide is here to help you master the art of cooking, one delicious recipe at a time. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until then, happy cooking. Many delicious and popular vegetarian and vegan dishes are easy to prepare. In this video, we'll cover 5 recipes that are easy to follow and equally mouthwatering. Starting off with number 1, vegetable stir fry. A simple and versatile dish that involves sauteing various vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms in a flavorful sauce. Serve it with rice or noodles for a satisfying meal. The ingredients you will need include 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 carrot julienne, 1 cup of mushrooms sliced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, which is also optional, salt and pepper to taste, and cooked rice or noodles for serving. Here's how to make it. Step number 1, heat the vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Number 2, add the sliced onion and minced garlic to the pan and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant and slightly softened. Number 3, add the bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, and mushrooms to the pan. Stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender and crisp. Number 4, in a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, hoisin sauce if you're using it, sesame oil if you're using it, and salt and pepper. Step number 5, pour the sauce over the vegetables in the pan and stir to coat evenly. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Number 6, remove from heat and serve the vegetable stir fry over cooked rice or noodles and enjoy. Note, the beautiful thing about this recipe is you can substitute any vegetables that you have laying around in your fridge or house and add it to the stir fry, or substitute some of the ingredients that you don't like. The recipe will function the same way. Our second dish is chickpea curry. This is a flavorful and protein-rich dish made with chickpeas cooked in a fragrant blend of spices, tomatoes, and coconut milk. It's typically served with rice or naan bread. The ingredients you'll need include 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 can, about 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 can, about 14 ounces of coconut milk, 2 cans, about 14 ounces each of chickpeas drained and rinsed, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish, and cooked rice or naan for serving. Going into the process, with step number 1, heat the vegetable oil in a large pot or skillet over medium heat. Number 2, add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger to the pot. Saute for 5 minutes until the onion is translucent. Number 3, add the curry powder, cumin, coriander, and turmeric into the pot. Stir well to coat the onion and spices. Cook for 1 minute to toast the spices. Number 4, pour in the diced tomatoes with their juices and coconut milk. Stir to combine. Number 5, add the drained and rinsed chickpeas to the pot. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 6, bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the flavors are well combined and the curry has thickened slightly. Number 7, remove from heat and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve the chickpea curry over cooked rice or with naan bread. Dish number 3 is a personal favorite, and we're talking about the Caprese salad, an Italian classic salad that combines ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, and basil leaves, drizzled with olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a refreshing and simple appetizer or light meal. Note that because of this dish's simplicity, it is important to find the best quality ingredients that you can. If it is not tomato season, maybe skip out on this dish and try another one. Also find your best mozzarella and the freshest of basil leaves. You're looking for leaves that are bright, vibrant green. Avoid getting packaged basil that's brown or wilted. You want something lively and amazing. Only the best ingredients can truly make this dish shine. If you're making this dish, the ingredients you'll need are 2 large ripe tomatoes sliced. I personally like the Roma tomatoes, but heirloom tomatoes are also a fantastic option. You'll need 1 large fresh mozzarella ball sliced, fresh basil leaves, extra virgin olive oil for drizzling, balsamic vinegar for drizzling, salt and pepper to taste. The instructions for this recipe include: number 1, arrange the tomato slices and mozzarella slices on a serving plate, alternating them. Number 2, tuck fresh basil leaves in between the tomato and mozzarella slices. Number 3, drizzle extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar over the salad. Number 4, sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Number 5, allow the flavors to meld together for a few minutes before serving. I hope that you enjoy this wonderful caprese salad. You can also serve it with buttered toast, a little bit of confit garlic if you want to spice it up. It complements and pairs well with many different things. Dish number 4 is so simple and so delicious, and we're talking about lentil soup. Lentils are packed with nutrients and are a great source of protein. Cook them with vegetables, spices, and vegetable broth to create a hearty and comforting soup. The ingredients you'll need for the lentil soup include 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of dried lentils, green or brown, rinsed and drained, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can, about 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley to garnish. The instructions are as follows. Number 1, heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. 2, add the chopped onion, carrots, celery, and minced garlic to the pot. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Number 3, add the rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes with their juices, cumin, paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper to the pot. Stir well to combine. Number 4, bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until the lentils are tender. Number 5, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Number 6, ladle the lentil soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve warm and enjoy the comforting lentil soup. Lastly, but certainly not the least, number 5, veggie tacos. Fill soft tortillas with grilled or roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and corn. Top with salsa, guacamole, and your favorite toppings for a tasty and easy to make meal. The ingredients that you'll need are 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 onion sliced, 1 cup of corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste, soft tortillas, salsa, guacamole, shredded lettuce, and other toppings of your choice. The process for these tacos are: number 1, heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 2, add the sliced bell pepper, zucchini, onion, and corn to the skillet. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 3, sprinkle the chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper over the vegetables. Stir well to coat evenly. 4, warm the soft tortillas in a separate skillet or wrap them in foil and place them in a preheated oven for a few minutes. 5, fill each tortilla with the sautéed vegetables, top with salsa, guacamole, shredded lettuce, or any other desired toppings. Number 6, serve the veggie tacos warm and enjoy the delicious flavors. These are just a few examples, and there are countless other delicious vegetarian and vegan dishes to explore. I hope that you find these recipes helpful and enjoy preparing them. Best of luck on your culinary adventures, and thank you so much for watching.